Hello, this is Zakir Ahmed Pritam. I'm a student of Rajshahi University, Department of Banking and Insurance. Now I will show you some problem and solution of Excel about time value of money and data management and other some topics. I hope you will see this.
Hello guys, this is Zakir Ahmed Pritam. Now we will see some exercise of time value of money. Here is the first one is given here. The PV is 2 lakhs dollar and the FV is 2 lakhs dollar and the PV is $27,000 and number of period is 18. We need to find out the value of I, that's mean the rate of interest. To find the rate of interest, first we will need to provide an equal sign and type rate. Then we will give the first bracket, and now the formula wants number of period. Here is the number of period is 18, that's mean T4. Then we will provide a comma, and then it's want PTM or the payment, that is 0. So we will provide a 0 and comma. Then the present value, here is the present value is 27,000, that's C4, then comma, and the future value. Before giving a future value, we need to provide a minus sign, that's minus sign and B4. Then we will close the first bracket and press enter. That's our rate of interest, 12%. Then exercise number 2. This exercise wants the number of period. So providing a number of period, we need to provide equal sign and type n bar first bracket. Then this formula wants rate. Here is the rate of interest is 12%. That's D10. Then comma. The future present value. There is the present. Before providing present value, we need to provide and 0 because there is no payment. Then the present value, comma, and future value is minus B10 and first bracket close. And that is our number of period. Exercise number 3. Here, this exercise number 3 want the interest rate. So previously we know what should we do. Firstly we need to an equal sign, then type rate, first bracket, number of period, comma, 0, comma, present value, comma, future value. Before providing future value, we need to provide an minus sign. Close. And that is 6%. And exercise number 4, we need to find out the number of period. To provide a number of period, we first take an equal sign and type n bar, first bracket, rate is 5.5%, comma, 0, or double comma, provide an present value, comma, minus sign and future value and bracket close. That is the number of period for exercise number 4. in number 5 we need to find out what's the present value. To find out the present value we need to first an equal sign, then we need to type PV and first bracket, then we provide rate of interest 8.5%, comma, number of period 20, comma, payment is 0 so 0, comma, and future value. Before providing future value we must need to provide a minus sign and the future value, then close the first bracket and press enter. That's the present value of this exercise. That's all guys. Hello guys, now we will see some example of loan amortization. Here we can see the principal amount is given 5 lakhs and rate is 12% and the year is 6, and we need to find out the payment. So to find out the payment we will first take an equal sign and type PMT first bracket, and now we'll provide rate of interest. Here is B3, comma, number of period B4, comma, and principal amount present value B2, bracket close and press enter. We will find the interest rate is 1,21,612 point something dollar. And now we will provide some information here, and that is past year 0 and outstanding balance is 5 lakhs. Now we will autofill the cell from A8 . First we will go to the fill section and take series. Now we will see an pop-out menu, and here we will select series in column and stop value will be 6 because of our number of payment field. We press the OK button and we will find here 0 to 6. Now we will autofill our payment section. First we freeze the payments. Okay. I'll copy the section and paste here. For interest payment, we take an equal sign and type ITNT first bracket. Rate is 12%, comma, per period is 1, that's A8, comma, number of payment is here is 6, comma, and the present value is 5 lakh. Now we will freeze this section. We will freeze all the cells without A8 because A8 is the number of period which will not be freezed. It will change by cell by cell. We finished and press enter. Then we will autofill from cell A8 to A13. For our principal payment, we will take an equal sign and type ppmt. Then first bracket, rate is 12% as before, and per is 1, then n per, that's number of period, is 6, comma, and PV is 5 lakhs. Now we'll also freeze this section. We can autofill now that. For our outstanding balance, we will provide equal sign and select our first outstanding balance. We will provide a plus sign because our principal payment is already in negative. So we will provide the plus sign and select our first principal payment. Then press enter. Now we can autofill this section. So you can see the end of the 6th year, our outstanding balance is 0. So our loan is already full payment in the 6th year. That's all. Now you can understand how to calculate loan amortization. We'll see you in the next one. Hello guys, we will see the problem of if condition, and this problem is about sales commission. Here we will see some information about this problem. We see some salesperson name and their sellings and the commission. We need to find out the commission, and here is some information about this commission. If one person earn more than sell more than 1 lakh, he will get 2.5% commission. If a salesperson sell more than 2 lakhs, he will get 5 lakhs. If a salesperson sell more than 2 lakhs, he will get 7% commission of his sales. So for this commission, we will first take an equal sign, then we will type if, then first bracket, and provide our first logic. Our first logic is about B8 is less than equal A2, then B8 into B2. Then we will take our second logic if first bracket, our second logic will be B8 less than equal A3, then B8 into B3, sorry. If false, then B8 into B4. Now we will, B4. Now we will freeze the cell, because the cell, if we didn't freeze the cell, then we can't do flash fill. This will save our times. So now we will freeze from only without B8. Okay, A2, then B2, then A3, then B3, B4, then we will press enter. We will get the first commission. Now we will just autofill this cell from C8 to C22, and we will get our commission for each salesperson. That's all, guys.
Hello guys, now we'll see a problem about data consolidation. For here we have three sheets, and the sheets about Rajshahi unit production, and sheet 2 is about Bogura unit production, and sheet 3 is about Rangpur unit production. And here is some production ends quarter. So we before consolidate we will go to data menu, and first we select a place where we will consolidated data will be shown, and then we'll select that J1, and next we will go to data menu and select consolidate. We will select the function sum, and for reference we will select sheet 1 product and quarter, and add. Then we go to sheet 2, select the products and quarter, and then we will add that. Third, we will go to the third sheet. It's already selected, we will just add this. Now we will use the label top row and left column, then press OK. Here is our consolidated data in the J first column. I hope you understand. See you in the next one.
So guys, now we'll see the problem about pivot table. To find here is our some information. Now we'll make an pivot table and chart. To make an pivot table and chart, we will go to insert section and select pivot chart, and now from drop down menu we will select pivot chart and table. From this section we will select our table range. Table range is sales agent to sales in million. Okay, then we will select an existing worksheet, and we will select our locations of the pivot table and chart, and press OK. Now we can select and drag and drop our sections, which one we want to select in our table and chart. So we take sales agent as a axis category, and division. Now we'll select the cells in summation value. We want to take this twice because we also want to make an average of this sum. So we can select, see here is the sum of cell and also sum of cells. So we can select this field and go to the option value field setting and select average and press OK. So here we will find the average of this function. So that's the table, and this is the pivot chart. I hope you understand. This is very easy topics. Hope so meet in the next one.
So guys, now we'll see some problem about regression analysis. Here is in previous statistical data, previous yearly. and data started from 1983. So for regression analysis, we will go to data menu and select data analysis and regression and press OK. Now we will select our range of x, y, then press OK and select x range and OK, and label output range, select and cell, and others are OK. Now we'll place the OK button, and here is our regression analysis output. So I hope you understand. This is very simple topics. You can do it by yourself. Hope so meet in the next topic.
Hello guys, now we will solve some problem about data validation, and where we see some informations about name, birth year, gender, marital status, education level, last academic year, professions, income, and transportation used. And here is also some information to validate our this data. So first we'll select cell number 1 and go to data tab and select data validation, and we will have a pop-up here, and we will set some settings for this section. We will keep these settings as it is, and input message will be write your name. Hero alert will not needed here. Press OK. Then for birth year, we'll also go data validation and setting. And here is our condition is not later than 2000. So we will select date and not greater than or equal to not less than or equal to, and end date will be 2000, and input message will be write your birth year. Here is stopped, and title will be write information and place OK. So here is also gender section. In this section we see there is a list, so we will go data validation and settings, list, select list, and source male, female, and others, and input message will be select your gender. Not needed. So here we can select our gender from this section. For marital status, we also need a list. So also we will go to settings and select list, and source will be married, single, and divorced, and input message will be select your marital status. And let's okay. Here we can select our marital status. For education level, we also make a list because here is our information also about a list. So select data validation, settings, list, and source, and title will be education level. Plus okay. From this section, we also can select our education level. Last academic year, there is also an date, so we will go to data validation, and from setting we will select date, and date is not less than equal to 016, and press OK. We will select our input message. Last academic year. In profession, we will also make a list. So select data validation, from setting, list, and we will apply some source here: government service holder, private service holder, and businessman. And input message will be select your profession. We can select our profession from here. Income will be a number, so from data validation settings we'll select decimal, we didn't need any value, so we'll just keep it and any value. Transportation use also need an list, so we also select here data validation and list, and we will make some source here. And then input message select your daily life transportation. That's okay. Here from we can select our daily used transport. Now we will make some demo here. In any name we can write anything, number and text also. So we will write some text, and, birth year here is not later than 2000, so we cannot enter any year less. So here we will pop up a message, so we should enter a value less than 2000. So we will enter 2000 here, and it takes last academic year also not less than 2016, so we'll write 2016. Income, there is no value, so we can type any number, for example 50,000. That's all. Hello guys, now we'll see a problem about what if analysis. We will try to solve this problem. We are seeing some information about this problem, and that is assignment number 1 is grade 4 and full marks is 5, and gradually there are some full mark about exam and the grades mark are here. So we see the tutorial mark is not given here, and final exam mark is also not given here. Our interval evaluations required mark is 22. Now we will go to the data bar from Excel, and we will find here what if analysis, and then we will select goal seek. Now here is a pop-up menu, and it is set cell. Will Here we will select the cell of total marks. Then here is two value. Our required value is 22. We will type that 22. And here is another one. By changing cell, we will select here B4 and click OK. And here is our first goal seek has been applied. Then press OK. Next we see our final exam mark is also not given here, and our total target mark is 80. Now we will also do an goal seek here. Set cell is total marks, to value is 80 here, and by changing cells is final exam mark, and place OK. We will find our final exam mark is also needed 58 mark to meet our required target mark. That's all guys. I hope see you in the next one.